Exceptional design. Enjoy professional performance with hard anodized exterior, unsurpassed heat distribution and quantanium nonstick for professional results. Premium cooking. Constructed to last. Drip-free pouring flavor lock lid. Exceptional handling. Cool grip handles are solid stainless steel riveted handles that stay cool on the stovetop and provide a safe solid grip. Cleanup. Easy cleanup with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive scrub pad. Limited lifetime warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. 12-inch everyday pan with lid and 2 loop-style handles. Hard anodized aluminum construction with an aluminum core. Quantanium non-stick finish internally reinforced with titanium. Riveted stainless steel handle, break-resistant domed glass lid. Product built to North American electrical standards. Chef's Classic, 12, non-stick hard-anodized skillet with cover, perfect for one-dish meals, fits generous fillets of beef, chicken fish. Top reviews from the United States. Good pan to supplement my larger set. I bought this pan to supplement the Cuisinart Chef's Classic non-stick hard-anodized 14-piece cookware set that I recently purchased. The set is great, but the largest pan it came with was only 10 inches. I definitely need something larger for when I'm cooking for more people, and this fits the bill. It's the same exact brand and model, so it fits in perfectly with that set. They must have corrected the issue with the sticking label that other commenters have noted, because it came off easily with no tearing. Yes, these pans do show micro scratches almost immediately upon use, but they come out of the packaging so perfectly shiny and sparkly that I think it's inevitable. The scratches seem very superficial and the coating doesn't appear to be compromised. I would avoid metal utensils to be safe.